The gold standard is a monetary system where a country's currency value is directly linked to gold. Let's look at how it works. To be on the gold standard means your paper money is essentially a receipt for a specific amount of physical gold held in reserve. The United States officially abandoned the gold standard in 1971, which changed how global markets value money forever. Under this system, governments could not easily print more money. The total supply was strictly governed by how much gold the country actually owned. Today we use fiat money, which derives its value from government trust rather than a physical commodity like gold. Without the gold standard, central banks gained the flexibility to expand the money supply to respond to economic crises or growth needs. While some investors still view gold as a hedge against inflation, modern economies rely on the flexibility of fiat currency. Understanding the history of money helps you see the bigger picture of how our economy functions today. Subscribe for more financial basics.